To accelerate climate action, we need to close the gap between plans and implementation. Based on tested solutions from across Europe, the MAIA project shows how national governments can lead this change. The path forward rests on 4 strategic priorities. First, open and accessible climate knowledge. Fragmented data and weak links between science and policy hinder effective decision-making. Second, coordinated multi-level governance. Siloed policies delay implementation. It's essential to connect ministries, regions and municipalities, ensuring shared accountability. Third, sustainable financing. Local governments implement most climate solutions but receive minimal funding. We need to unlock finance where it's needed most. And fourth, integrated and adaptive planning. National plans must be dynamic, integrating environmental, social and economic priorities and updated as knowledge evolves. The evidence is clear. National leadership combined with local empowerment is the fastest path to a just and climate-resilient future for all.